Namaste and welcome to Reset Your Shakti. So right now we're going to look at Vakrasana. It is a spinal twist done in sitting position, and I'm going to demonstrate how to do this. Like I've already explained, every other detail or every nitty-gritty details are being given in your guide. So please refer there. And I'm going to demonstrate how to do Vakrasana in sitting position right now. So let's bring ourselves in sitting position first. This is sitting position, your hands next to your hips, legs straightened forward. From here, I'm going to fold my left knee and slowly, let me show it in this side. So I'm going to fold the right leg so that you can see it properly. Bring my left arm right in front of my right hand. Middle fingers are pointing each other. And twist your spine and your belly in such a way that you are able to look back properly. Feel the twist. Breathe. Hold as much as possible. Slowly bring your neck to center, arms next to your hips, extend the right leg, and this is your sitting position. From here, bring yourself in any meditative asana. Happy practicing.